I just want to go camping. Okay, is the winter over? Can we go camping yet? Oh, wow. I see. Wait a minute. Are we camping? We're camping. Wow. We're camping. Oh, we're camping. Oh, I'm so happy we're camping. Oh, I'm glad that winter crap is over. All that snow. How did I even get here? It's magic. Oh, camping. Camping. No snow. Hot dogs on the grill. Hamburgers. S'mores. Oh, yeah. Welcome to the campsite, fellas. Thanks for stopping in. We're gonna cook ourselves some breakfast. Let's get it, dude. We'll let this cook up. While we wait, we'll hydrate. Good old Reds. 7:30 in the morning. That's camping, dude. Gonna want to get some black pepper up on there. Gonna want to get some Himalayan salt up on there. We're definitely gonna want to get some onion powder up on there. I'd put regular onions in it, but I'm too lazy this morning. I just want to eat, dude. And the last ingredient, which makes it taste badass, is the garlic Parmesan seasoning. Let's get it, dude. Woohoo! Now we mix. Let it cook. While we wait, we hydrate. Yeah. Woo. You're gonna want to get a whole bag of cheese up on there. We're gonna get the gravy up on there. Guess what? Now we're gonna eat it, dude. But first, we'll hydrate. That's money, dude. So, once you add your gravy, you're gonna want to turn your heat off. Just let it warm up. Hope you guys are ready for some shit like this down in Wildcat in Kentucky. Yeet yeet, cause we're gonna be cooking some shits. I have money, dude. It's Ronnie's fault. So guys, we're on our way to Tractor Supply to see what they have. I need to find an axle nut socket. And it's Ronnie's fault because, you know, I just went over that trailer a couple days ago and there was nothing wrong with it. We're sitting there talking and Ronnie says, "Your shit's all messed up, bro." You know me, I would normally just drag it home that way, but I'm bored anyway, so let's get it, dude. All right, guys. So we had to go to AutoZone, get ratchets and sockets. We went to Tractor Supply and got what we think is the right hub. It should not be like that.
That key's still in there.
Huh?
That key's still in
The
there.
car key's still in there.
That's why it's like that.
Yep. Cause the no. That'd be why.
Okay.
Oh no. We might.
Thank God, huh, baby? It'll get us home.
Alright guys, so this was a nightmare that took about 4 hours because I had to drive an hour one way to find all the wrong parts just to get this wheel back on. And then another hour one way to go home to put half the toolbox in so I could cut that bearing race off of there. So, I'm probably going to buy a new axle. I'm going to look online for a new axle. They're only about 300 bucks, 200 bucks, something like that. They ain't much. I'll buy a complete axle with all new brakes, and then guess what? I'll rip those brakes off of that axle, and I'll have them for spares. So, because this trailer is practically new. And then I'm also going to go around the other ones because this ain't happening again. This was due to lack of a technician paying attention. This was due to some idiot who didn't put a fucking cotter pin in the castle nut. This could have been avoided if somebody would have done their fucking job. Period. Plain and simple. Whoever put that hub on there, whether it was at the factory, at the axle factory, whether it was serviced before we got it, which I doubt it was because it's a brand new trailer, I highly doubt a service technician at a dealer touched that. I bet that was done in a factory. They didn't put the cotter pin down in the castle nut, and it backed off and chewed up those bearings. Now, whether the bearings were getting all messed up before that happened, I can't answer that, but I do know the cause of the messed up threads and everything else was due to the cotter pin missing. And how I know the cotter pin was missing is because if the cotter pin got sheared off, it would be stuck in that little hole. It's not stuck in that little hole. You can see straight through that little hole. And when I pulled the cap off, there was no debris in there. But anyway, guys, I hope you learned something. How to get yourself back on the road in one of these sticky situations. Get a new nut and cross-thread it on there. It'll go. It'll get you to where you got to be. And then after that, you're going to have to worry about it. In this case, I got to get a new axle or have the threads fixed. I might be able to fix the threads. I don't know. So, alright guys. Peace out. God bless. And we'll see you in the next one. Hopefully, it won't be working on my camper or my other trailer. Peace.